We're going to be doing our first huge contract screen printing job on the Anatol coming up. I've got my screens all exposed. I just need to tape those up. Here's what we're working with. We have all of these shirts here that need a black print on the front and the back. We have these which have a zipper. We might have to do some of these manually. Things like this with the pocket on the side and the zipper going down the middle. We'll definitely have to do that manually. Then we got these over here that just need a front print. Some of them have a zipper. That's going to be a white print. Then we have a handful of shirts over there that only have a front print, black only, so that should be pretty easy. The majority of this should be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and do this. I got my first sample print all taken care of. While the dryer warms up, I'm going to warm up the pallets as well. Just pretty simple on this press. You just hit warming and start. And something I didn't really realize, because I generally stopped it before it completely got warm, was the fact that it knows when to stop and the pallets are warm. So that's pretty awesome. The machine just stopped, the pallets are all warm, our dryer's up to temp, so let's go ahead and run off this order.
Right.
Yeah, might want to talk to him about it. So we burned our first shirt. And it just so happened to be where the ink is, and I had the flash down to 190 for a couple seconds, and I don't know if it's the material or what, because it only ate it up where the ink is at. It's not like it set the whole shirt on fire, so we boogered up 2 shirts so far. Oh well, it happens. The prints are coming out nice and smooth. This is very flat here, nice and bright. Now on to doing the black on this ginormous pile. You ready, Shannon?
No, it's the black on this front only.
The front only of what?
The front only print.
Mm-hmm.
There's a black ink on it.
Yeah, that's the same thing as the back.
Nope. Oh, is
Yeah, it's the same exact thing. Yeah. We'll do both of them at the same time. And it's starting to rain.
Separate it.
You separate it because that is front and back, and that is back only. It's the same thing that's going on the front there is the back print for those.
Oh.
That makes sense?
Yes.
Good. Glad we're on the same page. So I gotta do some ink swapping out. Let's do that. We're going to use a tiny shirt for our test print. Hey, you can't be playing that non-royalty free music back there. You're gonna ruin my video. There was a little bit of ink wash on the palette. It is almost 7 p.m. on a Monday, and if you know what that means, we are about to do our live. If you're not familiar with it, we'll leave a link up in the top corner where you can check out some of our lives. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll be back. Well, it is another day, and we are going to wrap up this contract screen print job. Let's go ahead and do this. We have everything complete and it is ready to go to be shipped out. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you'll get notifications. We have some more videos coming up of the press, as well as art tutorials and screen printing how-tos. Until next time, we'll see you later.